all of you. Today I am going to present about realism in the Charles Dickens novel Hard Times. So first we know that what is a realism. So realism is the attempt to depict subjects as they are considered to exist in an objective reality without any embellishment or interpretation. Realism portrays real and typical contemporary people and situation with the truth and accuracy, even the unpleasant or miserable aspect of life. So I will give you some of the example of we have a one ball. So ball has a red color. So the color is a red. So it's a reality of that ball. And I will give you one of the example in our home. The chapati is the most of beauty of woman. So it's our mindset that in our home only woman can do the work of chapati. How realism affects realism revolt against the exotic subject and subject matter and the exaggerate emotionalism and drama of the romantic movement. Instead, it's sought to portray real and typical contemporary people and situation with the truth and accuracy, and not avoiding unpleasant or sordid aspect of life. Realism and Dickens. The realistic novel was born in the 19th century and is characterized by the social context, such as the description of the struggle of the bourgeoisie against the aristocratic society, or the description of the world of the poor and unfortunate. The realism spreads rapidly across Europe and in the Victorian England is greeted by the work of Charles Dickens. So here you can see the popular Victorian authors and their realistic novels like Charles Bronte's novel Jane Eyre, George Eliot Middlemarch, Thomas Hardy, Jude Oscar. Here you can see the biography of Charles Dickens and the life of Charles Dickens. He was a very poor man, and his father was in jail. So at that time, he was sometimes he was working in the factory of boot polish. So here you can see the picture of at that time. Here you can see the Dickens as a social reformer. So reflected in his writing, I think A Tale of Two Cities, Oliver Twist, Hard Times. So these are the some of the example of Dickens as a social reformer. And realism and hard times. So here is industrialization and divorce and education. So you can see the picture of town, and here is the picture of any factory of India. Or also we can mention that any factory of Gujarat. So the situation of Town is very dirty, and you can hear see that in the both the slide there is air pollution, noise pollution, and as well as the dirty things of that time. Let's come to the next slide. Here is the education. So Mr. Gradgrind, he was one of the teacher of the school of the Cocktown, and he is a student Louisa and Tom, as well as his own child. So Louisa and Tom is very different, and And Mr. Grand Guide always says that facts provide the key to success. So uh, I think we can say that Mr. Grand Guide has a knowledge of book. So here we can see the picture of a primary school. So most of primary teachers, how they are teaching to his students, they always give education of book. So they don't give any idea of his own personal. And he always says about that. And we can say that facts. Here is a Skittle. Skittle is one type of candy, but students cannot give his own imagination as well as opinion. So when we are in primary school, at that time we have no idea of uh, how can we see the world as well, how can we imagination and how can see the world. So at that time when we are in primary school, at that time we don't have a more knowledge of this kind of activity, but we are in our next level. At that time we have a more understanding of the education. uh, and my third and last point is marriage. So here you can see the picture of Bounderby and Louisa. So we can find some age difference between Louisa and Bounderby. And here is you can see the age difference between Donald Trump and his wife. And another example is Nick Johnson and his wife. And here is another two couple. So I will give you one of the example of this. Yeah, if we have a two choice of marriage, one is one is a son of businessman, but he has no any education. He is not educated person, but he has a lots of money. And another is a person is a another person is that yeah, he is more knowledge of education. He is educated person, and but he has a small bike. But the businessman son has a we can say that Rolls Royce. So if we have to decide that which person is which person we can choose for our life partner. So I want to ask you that which person you will see for your marriage. So definitely we say that we can choose the businessman son, because he has more money. So we have a mindset that if money is with us, so we can do anything. But it's not true, and it's not a reality of our life. But એવું કહેવાય છે ને લોકો પૈસા પાછળ આંધળા થઈ ગયા છે. And there are so many examples of uh, in our life, and we are always seeing this type of marriage. And one interesting point is why Grand Guide choose the Mr. Bounderby, because we can say that Bounderby uh, as a we can say he has he has so many. I think we can say that he has some money, and he is the leader of the uh, he's the leader of the Cork town, and we can say that he's the king of poor people. So he is a different personality. And here is my references. You can see. And thanks to all you have listened to me.